Happy morning, everyone! I am Mrs. Seniza S. Obrador, your grade 8 English teacher. So for weeks 1 and 2, we had our topic about context clues. I hope you were able to do all the learning tasks you were assigned in those lessons. Alright? So for week 3, we have conventions in citing sources. In writing a research paper, including any other academic papers, it is important that you mention or cite the sources of your information. This allows you to give credits to the original owner of information or messages you gathered from particular persons, organizations, and the like. Basically, there are a number of ways in citing the sources of our information. One of the well-known styles is known as the APA 7th edition format proposed by the American Psychological Association. So that is what we mean by APA, American Psychological Association. So in this lesson, you are expected to identify the different conventions in writing references using the APA 7th edition format and use this style in citing sources in your academic papers. So before I give you the different learning tasks that you are going to accomplish for this week from October 19 to 23, I would like to discuss about the notes or the lecture which focuses on conventions in citing sources. Okay? So I hope you will be with me as I discuss to you the key points and the important reminders about this topic. There are various ways in acknowledging sources, just like what I have mentioned earlier. So we have the American Psychological Association or the APA, which is considered as one of the largely used referencing style in terms of research and other academic endeavors. The APA 7th edition format features a number of ways in citing authors and their work. In this lesson, a few will be highlighted to guide you in basic referencing styles. Now, these are the conventions in citing sources using books. Besides books, we have also periodicals, which include journals, magazines, and newspapers. And there are also the other print sources, which have the government document and report from a private organization. So let's go back to books. Okay, so what you can see in this slide, we have there invert the names of authors. Okay, this is what you have to do in citing sources using books. Now for books, we have single author, or there are books with two authors. There are also an edited book with editors but with no author. There are also an edited book with an author or authors. There are also books with 3 to 20 authors, and there are also books with more than 20 authors. So how can we cite sources in these cases? Okay, now for the first one, invert the names of authors. Last name comes first, followed by a comma, then the initials. There should be periods after initials. Initials are separated by a space. Follow the order of names as presented in the book. If there are two or more authors, the last author is usually separated by an ampersand. Okay? Besides that, the title of the book is written in italics. Capitalize only the first letter of the title. If the title has two parts, capitalize the first letters of the first and second parts. Capitalize proper nouns. End with a period. Now, how about the publisher? How are you going to cite that? Indicate the number of the publisher followed by a period. Do not include the location. Then the copyright year. What should you do? Place inside parentheses the year of publication. Do not forget the period. And how about the edition? If the book has a volume or edition number, include it in parentheses after the title of the book. Edition is written as ed, period. Okay, I hope you're able to see the example given here. Again, please look at the name of the author. How was it written? You have there the surname first, followed by the initials. There are periods after the initials, and these are separated by a space. Now, you follow the order of names as presented in the book. So, if there are two or more authors, the last author is usually separated by an ampersand. Can you see the ampersand? Okay, there it is. Okay, we call that ampersand. Okay. Then you have there the copyright year. I've already discussed that. The title of the book, the edition, and the publisher. Now this is how you do that when we only have a single author or when we only have one author. Okay? Please look at the surname Bermudez, comma. Then you have L, that is the initial for the first name, period. Now, 2017, that is a copyright page. It is enclosed in parentheses. Do not forget the period after the parentheses. Now, let us have the title, The Journey to the End of Asia. You capitalize letter T because it is the beginning of the title. Then the next are written in small letters except Asia because Asia is a proper name. Okay, look at that. Edition, it's also enclosed in parentheses. Second ed. Edition is abbreviated. You write that as ED, period. After the parentheses, there is a period also. After the publication, RELC Press, period. Do not forget the period. Okay? De Chavez, another one. Another example is De Chavez, that is the last name. You have there the comma, then the initial letter J, followed by a period, that is the initial, the first name, space, you have there 2020 enclosed in parentheses, that is the copyright page, period. Then the title of the book, the first letter is letter P, it is capitalized. Pagsibol, you have there the colon, Batayang Aklat sa Pagkatuto sa Filipino. It is the complete title of the book. After that, after the title, there is also the period. Okay? Aguila Publishing House, that is the name of the publishing company, and you can see the period at the end. Okay? So that is how we cite sources if there is a single author for a book. Kapag iisa lang ang author or may akda. Now, how about if we have two authors? Now, we have here Cadavido, comma, J period, S period, comma. Okay, that is the name of the first author. We began with the surname followed by the initial first name. You do not write the whole name of the author, just the initial, same as with the middle initial. You have there the comma, then the ampersand, and then the second name of the second author is Bermudez. That is the last name of the second author, period. Then we have the initial letter L, period. Enclosed in parentheses is the copyright date, 2017. After the parentheses, you have there the period. The title of the book is Living as Students Overseas. So only letter L is capitalized and the rest of the words are written in small letters. Again, do not forget the period after the title of the book. Next is the publishing company, RELC, press, period. Then we have the HTTPS :/marks rel.org.sg/living_as_students_overseas. Okay. This is the first example for two authors. Another example is Balaogan, comma, E.T. period, comma, ampersand, Cargullo, comma, L period, C period. Okay? So those are the names of the two authors. The copyright date, 2017, is enclosed in parentheses. Then after that, you have again a comma. The title of the book is Understanding the Complex Behavior of Adolescents. Letter U is capitalized. Then you have there, enclosed in parentheses again, fourth ed. Edition is written in small letter ed, that is abbreviated, period. Then after the parentheses, another period before the the place of publication or the publishing company, Cainta and Cainta, period. Do not forget the period always. Now, edited book with authors but with no author. Most of the learner's materials do not have authors. What we have in these materials are editors. So how do we cite sources? Just in case there is no author, we simply do this, or we simply follow this format. We have Marlena, comma, R.G. So the initials are separated by periods. Then enclosed in parentheses, you have there ed, capitalize E-D, that means editor. Then after the parentheses, another period, another parenthesis for the copyright date, 2017, period. Title of the book, Living as Students Overseas, period. Only letter L is capitalized because that is the beginning of the title. Then you have the publishing company, RELC Press, period. Another example of an edited book with editors but with no author, Panga, comma, A, period, F, period, comma. We put a comma to show that there is another author. That is our first. Our second author here is Chua, comma, T, period, D, period. So Chua is this, the surname of the second author. So since we have two authors, we write EDS, and that is the abbreviation for editors. Then we have there the period, then close in parentheses, 2018, period, that is the copyright date. Then curriculum management in ASEAN member states. We have that. That is the title of the book. We capitalize letter C because it is the beginning of the title. We capitalize ASEAN because that stands for an acronym. Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Then we have a period. After the period, we have the publishing company, ASEAN Press. Next, we have their edited book with an author. Okay. Now, we already have an author in these examples. Cadavido, J period, S period, and Bermudez, L period. So those are the names of the two authors. We have two authors for the first example. Cadavido, that is the first author, the surname. The surname for the second author is Bermudez. Now, copyright date is 2017. That is enclosed in parentheses also. We always enclose the copyright date in parentheses. After that, do not forget the period. Then again, the title of the book. We only capitalize the first letter, leaving a student's overseas. I forgot to tell you that the title of the book should be written in italicized manner. It should be italicized, nakahilig in Filipino. Okay? So, it is written differently. Unlike the other information inciting these sources. Okay, another one, R.G. Marlina, another author. The first R.G., that is the first name. Then we have there the middle, the initial for the first name, the middle initial, Marlina. Okay, that is the surname. Enclosed in parentheses, Ed. So, there is an author and an editor at the same time. We have, in this case, we have two authors and an editor. So, we write the what do you call this? The abbreviation for editor, Ed. You capitalize letter E, put a period after the abbreviation that is enclosed in parentheses, another period after the parentheses, and then the publishing company, RELC Press, period. Another example we have here, again, two authors. The first author is Gibas EF, Gibas, period, E, no, we have Gibas, E, period, F, period, then we have comma, and ampersand. This is to separate the two authors. Lopo is a surname of the second author. Then we have the comma, J, period, E, period. Then we separate that, or we use parentheses 2018 for the copyright date, period. Again, the title of the book is Curriculum Management in ASEAN Member States. You italicize, it is in italicized manner. You capitalize the letter C. ASEAN is also written in capital letters. Then the name of the editors, we have two editors here. Besides having two authors, we also have two editors. And as you can see, only the names of the authors begin with the surnames. But in this example, the name of the editors begin with their first name, the initial of the first name. The middle name also, we only have the middle initial. A, F, Pang, and T, D, Chua. Okay. We do not write the full name of the editors. We only use A, period, and T, period. Those are the names. Then F is the middle initial for the first editor, and D is the initial for the second editor. Now, after citing the names of the two editors, you write, first you have an open parenthesis, you write capital E, D, S, period. That stands for editors. That is the abbreviation for editors. Again, you have there close parenthesis, period, and the publishing company, ASEAN Press, period. Okay. Now, how about if there are 3 to 20 authors? What do we do? Make sure that we include all the names until the 20th author. They are all included. So let us have these examples. We begin with Cadavido, comma, J period, S period, comma, Alonzo, comma, B period, A period, comma, Condes, comma, R period, C period, comma, Red, comma, M period, N period, comma, Villaverde, comma, M period, A period, comma, Mirabel, comma, A period, I period, comma, Cachuela, comma, R period, L period, comma, Lavides, comma, M period, A period, comma, Berina, comma, A period, P period, comma, Kunanan, period, Kunanan, comma, A period, J period, comma. Marlena, RG, editor, enclosed in parentheses, period, 2017, that is the copyright date, close parentheses, period, living as students overseas, again, that is italicized. You capitalize letter L, since it is the title of the book. You end it with a period, and then we have the name of the publishing company, RELC Press. Okay.